This 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, water heater, spare tire kit, external shower, oven, stovetop burner, TV, slide-out, DVD player, microwave, auxiliary battery, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is 6,386 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.